myself Dr. Sushma Gatkuri, working as Professor and HOD in Department of Community Medicine at ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Hyderabad. Although we might be watching many videos since 1 year related to Corona, but today this video is very important wherein I want to share the basics of Corona infection and how we can prevent the complicated steps. So please watch this video very carefully. So like we all know, the disease process of Corona is for 15 days, like the incubation period, we call it in a scientific word is 15 days. Let's take it for 30 days. So first we will divide this 15 days into 3 phases: 0 day, 5th day and 15th day. So we don't know from where we get the infection. So on first, like 0 day, whenever you have symptoms like sore throat, body pain, fever, loss of smell, the most important thing, 5 things you have to see properly. First thing is, as soon as you know the symptoms, like these are related to COVID only, don't neglect. Don't think that if I go for testing, what will happen, what people will think, what will happen, my neighbors will talk. First thing is you have to identify your symptoms. Second step, what you have to do is get tested. Based on the test results, what you have to do is you have to contact an allopathic doctor who is trained in giving a Corona treatment, and you have to immediately start the treatment. We are always taught in the medicine profession like early diagnosis and prompt treatment. That's a very important step by which we can prevent lot of mortality, like lot of deaths. And the fourth thing what you have to do is don't get panic. Okay, just you keep your mind relaxed, stay positive, relax. And fifth thing is you have to buy a pulse oximeter so that you can monitor your oxygen saturation in the body. And the sixth thing, most important thing, please friends, underline these words what I am saying you. Don't watch any news, because you will be seeing 2 lakhs cases, 3 lakhs cases, this many people have died in so and so states. Listening or seeing to that, what is happening is our moral will go down, and we also go into a negative phase. We'll think, okay, I am positive, what will happen to me? I will also land into a very critical stage and all. Don't think. So please remember these 6 steps. These are very important. So like I was stressing, the first 5 days. So from 0 to 5 days, as soon as you are tested positive, you have started the treatment, take proper treatment. Why I am stressing that this 0 to 5 days are important? Because 90% of the cure rate you can achieve if you take proper treatment in this 0 to 5 days. What happens once you have virus in your body? The replication of the virus will multiply from 1 to 2, 10, 20, 100, 500. And this is a phase where we have to stop the replication of virus. And how you are going to stop this replication of virus? By immediately starting the treatment. Once you start the proper treatment for the COVID, this replication will stop and the person will not land up into a very severe or a complicated stage. So remember, this 0 to 5 days is very important to identify, to detect and start the treatment. Fine, 5 days are over. Then few people will recover at 5th day only. Only thing, they'll have loss of appetite or they'll have excessive of malaise and appetite loss and weakness. Don't worry. Many people will have rise in fever. Again, they'll have increased fever. Don't get panic. At 5th day, after 5th day, if you have symptoms still persistent, so you have to visit your doctor. They will advise test. So these are the tests which you have to undergo. CRP, like C-reactive protein, D-dimer, LDH, ferritin, and if required, CT scan. And based on that results only, the physician will start steroids or anticoagulants. If CRP is abnormal, they'll start the steroids, and that is given for 10 days. If D-dimer is deranged, D-dimer is nothing but which will tell us how much the clot is forming in your body, and based on that, anticoagulants which will prevent the clots and the complications related like stroke or myocardial infarction like heart attacks can be prevented. So once your tests are there and then the proper treatment is started based on the whatever the results have come up, then the 10th day you will be taking the treatment, the symptoms will subside, and at 10th day you will definitely feel better. Only thing is, most of the cases what we are observing is they are saying they are having a weakness. So it's a usual course of viral fever. Any viral fever will just squeeze you. Okay, normal fever, viral fevers, we all might have suffered also. What it will do, it will squeeze and we will have lot of weakness and appetite. But don't worry related to that, okay? It will go over a period of time. All I have to tell you is, you have to keep your mind very positive, because if you are positive, your immunity also improve and your body can fight against any infection. So my key home messages for you is, detect early as soon as possible, take proper treatment, don't panic, don't watch news which gives all negative news about morbidity and mortality. Keep a pulse oximeter, and this 5 days are very crucial. If we all can identify at proper time then we all can achieve this 90% of cure rate, and we can prevent lot of deaths related to complicated disease. So the title of our talk today is Co-Win. Co is nothing but together. So we all can win together if we follow the proper identification of the symptoms, taking proper treatment. Together we all can fight and remove this disease from the roots only, and we can have a peaceful community for our near future. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I request everybody to share this video to your friends, relatives, to many people, and stay positive, take care, stay healthy.